if you want to activate or add Shazam shortcut on iPhone, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, you could go ahead from your control center and then just do it. So I'm gonna go ahead to my main settings and then go ahead to the control center, and I can just go now with the iOS 18 version, I can just swipe down to see my control center, and I can just hold, right? And I can add, if I want to by clicking add control right here, all right? And I can just go ahead into the music, right? Or recognize music or Shazam, and then I'm gonna be able to add it, and basically you're gonna be able to see it in the control center, right? And you're gonna be able to access it. Another way of doing it, you can just go back to your screen, okay? And then basically go to any app that you use for music, right? And then play the music, and you're gonna be able to see it plays on your screen, and you're gonna be able to basically turn on the Shazam or music recognition, and you're gonna be able to see a notification, a pop-up notification of the music. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.